Now to that very big story which is making headlines after Bollywood came together. They went on and announced a blanket ban on the Pakistani artists. India has said no to playing cricket with Pakistan. In the wake of the Pulwama attack that led to the loss of over 40 CRPF Jawans. 40 of our Jawans were killed in that attack, martyred in that attack. The Indian cricketers are now standing in solidarity against this rogue nation, Pakistan. Indian pacer Mohammad Shami has gone on to say that we must never forget the martyrdom of our brave soldiers and that the attack has left him in a deep state of shock. Demanding very strong action, Harbhajan Singh also has said that India should not play with Pakistan and boycott the World Cup with the country. This is coming in as the Punjab and the Rajasthan Cricket Associations have pulled down photographs of Pakistani cricketers, including the likes of Imran Khan and Shahid Afridi from its stadiums. Remember, the All Indian Cine Workers Association barred all Pakistani artists from taking part in Bollywood films and events as well. And now the heat turns on cricket.
मेरी राय उस हर एक भारतीय के साथ मिलती है जो ये इस मसले को पूरे को समझते हैं कि ये कितना बड़ा मसला हो गया है कि हमारे जवानों को शहीद कर दिया गया है और वो भी 40 जवान एक साथ। और इतना बड़ा हादसा होने के बावजूद अगर हम क्रिकेट खेलने की बात करें तो मुझे नहीं लगता वो सही निर्णय होगा। जब तक ये बड़े मामले जो हैं इनको सुलझाया नहीं जाता या इसकी गुत्थी सुलझ नहीं जाती तो तब तक स्पोर्ट्स की तो बात नहीं होनी चाहिए। मुझे लगता है कि हम अब उस मुकाम पे हैं कि जब हमें डिसीजन लेना होगा कि क्या हमें वैसे संबंध उनके साथ क्रिकेट के रखने हैं या फिर नहीं रखने हैं। हमें अपने देश के साथ चलना है, पहले देश है फिर क्रिकेट है और क्रिकेट जो है वो अपना काम करती रहेगी, दूसरे देशों के साथ होती रहेगी। अगर पहले मामले जो हैं ये सुलझते नहीं हैं और उसके बावजूद अगर हम क्रिकेट खेलने की बात करते हैं तो फिर ये अपने आप के लिए हमारे लिए एक ठीक बात नहीं है।
देश के लिए, हमारी कंट्री के लिए या हमारे खुद के परिवार के लिए अगर लड़ना पड़ता है कहीं किसी भी सिचुएशन में तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि हमारे किसी भी भारतीय में ना कहने की हिम्मत होगी। हम हर हालत में, हर कंडीशन में हम लोग तैयार हैं।
आपको लगता है कि भारत को मैच खेलना चाहिए? क्योंकि हरभजन सिंह ने कहा है कि यार आप छोड़ दो मैच, जवान हमारे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, या फिर आपको लगता है कि नहीं यार हम वो मैच खेलें, जीतें, उनको हराएं और ये डेडिकेट करें उन जवानों के नाम जो उस दिन शहीद हो गए?
देख, वो जो ये फैसला है कि ये बीसीसीआई को करना है, इसमें अगर हम एक प्लेयर की मर्जी है खेलना तो वो नहीं होगा। लेकिन जो भी ये चीज़ चल रही है तो सीरियसली मतलब इस पर एक कड़ा कदम लेना चाहिए क्योंकि बहुत हो गया है। अब इतना सहन नहीं हो रहा कि हर आप 3 महीने बाद आप देखेंगे वहाँ पे 40 मर रहे हैं, 50 मर रहे हैं और उसके बाद हम वेट करते रहें कि नहीं अब कुछ होगा, अब कुछ होगा। आई थिंक ये हाई टाइम है। अब तो मैं मानना कि आर पार की लड़ाई देखी जाएगी, अब नहीं रुकना।
वर्ल्ड कप होता है या अंतर्राष्ट्रीय जो भी टूर्नामेंट होते हैं, चाहे वर्ल्ड चैम्पियनशिप होती हैं या फिर जैसे ओलंपिक्स होते हैं, उसमें से भाग नहीं लेना, मैं समझता हूँ इसके ऊपर ज़रूर विचार होना चाहिए। हर एक टूर्नामेंट के अपने एक रूल होते हैं और क्योंकि इतने सारे देश जो हैं भाग ले रहे हैं, आईसीसी के बहुत सारे मेंबर होंगे, 14 या 14 से ज़्यादा जो मेंबर हैं वो सब लोग देश वहाँ पे खेलेंगे। अगर हम विड्रॉ करते हैं तो फिर उसमें हमको खामियाजा भी भुगतना पड़ सकता है।
A battery of reporters are joining us now to get on-ground sentiments on this particular story. The chorus against not playing with Pakistan, of course, is growing, and of course, boycotting the World Cup also is growing. Let's get some on-ground sentiments from all our correspondents. Atit Sharma joins us from Delhi, Shalini Lobo joins us from Chennai, Rohit Singh joins us from Patna. First up from the national capital, you've got Atit Sharma joining us. Atit, what is the kind of sentiment that you're picking up from the national capital as far as playing cricket with Pakistan is concerned, and what India's stand should be as far as the World Cup is concerned as well?
Well, absolutely at the ground level people are quite angry, as every Indian is right now, and as Harbhajan Singh also said that India comes first and cricket comes later. So there are a couple of points here. Few people believe that we should play and beat them comprehensively and dedicate the win to these martyrs. And another thing is that yeah, we should not play against them even if it means losing the points, and also, Pakistan will be under advantage, and they'll advance further in the tournament if we don't play against them, and it will eventually be our loss. But let's get the views of these young students who are there at the India Gate right now and also play cricket. क्या कहना है आपका? आपको लगता है भारत को खेलना चाहिए पाकिस्तान के साथ वर्ल्ड कप में, इस माहौल में जिस तरह से पाकिस्तान लगातार भारत पर हमला कर रहा है, उनके जो आतंकवादी हैं कश्मीर में जो हमला हुआ है?
हाँ जी, मुझे बिल्कुल लगता है भारत और पाकिस्तान का मैच होना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये क्रिकेट अगर मैच ना हुआ तो क्रिकेट प्रेमियों के लिए बहुत एक अलग बात हो जाएगी कि उन्हें मनोरंजन नहीं मिलेगा। भारत और पाकिस्तान का मैच होना चाहिए, क्योंकि यह मैच इंग्लैंड में हो रहा है, भारत और पाकिस्तान में नहीं हो रहा।
मनोरंजन ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कि देश आगे आता है?
देश ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, देश ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है। पर ये हम ये भी देख सकते हैं ना कि क्रिकेट के जो प्लेयर है उन्होंने तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं करा, फिर ये तो उनके बीच में मुठभेड़ वाली बात हो जाएगी। क्रिकेट से तो बाहर है ना ये बात।
नहीं है, नहीं क्रिकेट, मेरा मानना है क्रिकेट नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि हमारे जो पुलवामा में शहीद हुए हैं और वो फिर क्रिकेट को भी जोड़ रहे हैं, तो हमारे जो खिलाड़ी एक प्रकार से उनका मोरल डिसीज की तरह तोड़ा जाएगा। क्रिकेट ना खेल के उनका और मोरल टूट जाएगा, इसलिए क्रिकेट नहीं होना चाहिए।
क्रिकेट इसलिए नहीं होना चाहिए क्योंकि उनको इससे बेनिफिट उनको ही होता है सर, उनको इकोनॉमिकल बेनिफिट से काफ़ी ज़्यादा होता है सर। अगर पाकिस्तान हमसे खेलता है तो हमें यहाँ एक तरह से उनको टूरिस्टर या टूरिस्ट बिजनेस यहाँ मतलब ब्रॉडकास्टिंग में काफ़ी ज़्यादा उनको प्रॉफिट होता है। इकोनॉमिकल हो चाहे कैसे भी हमें उनको बैक रखना चाहिए।
आप भी देखते हैं क्रिकेट?
हाँ।
आप क्या कहते हैं, होना चाहिए इंडिया पाकिस्तान में? आपको भी गुस्सा आ रहा है कि ये जो कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर ये गलत है?
मेरे को गुस्सा आ रहा है क्योंकि उन बेचारों ने क्या किया था, जो उनको बेमतलब में मार दिया गया। उन जवानों ने उन पर एक तरह से होना भी चाहिए क्रिकेट का मैच, क्योंकि वो जैसे भैया ने बताया कि इंटरटेनमेंट भी होना चाहिए। अगर ये वर्ल्ड कप में मैच नहीं होगा तो कुछ मजा नहीं आने वाला वर्ल्ड कप में।
Alright, Atik, so as we can see, there are mixed reactions coming in there as far as the national capital is concerned from all these locals who live in Delhi and also play cricket. We're getting those mixed reactions from the national capital. Moving straight to the financial capital in Mumbai, Rashesh Nandani is joining us from Mumbai as well. Rashesh, first, before we get those on-ground reactions as to what the youth there in Mumbai think, why don't you bring us some perspective on whether there are chances that the India-Pakistan World Cup clash would be discussed or not on the sidelines of the ICC meeting, which is going to be held in Dubai in the month of February?
Oh yes, it will be. It has to be. This is the marquee clash for the ICC. This is the most sought after game as far as the ICC is concerned. And I think it's more than the Indian Cricket Board. It would be the ICC would be worried with the messaging that's coming in from India. I'm right outside the BCCI headquarters here, and we've spoken to a number of board officials here, and a lot of them believe on a personal front that perhaps it would be the right move for India not to participate with Pakistan. But they are also very clear that as far as them directing the Indian cricket team not to participate in that game is concerned, they need to be armed with a government advice. Once that is there, then they can argue in front of the ICC on the ICC table that this is the position that the Indian government has taken, and so there are no financial implications for the BCCI as well, and then it could be moved forward. But like we've seen diverse opinions coming in from all over the country, a lot of anguish and a lot of outrage against the anti-Pakistan sentiment is concerned. And a lot of people believe that it would be a sharp messaging to send to the world community that India's most popular sport, the governing body has made a decision for India not to participate against Pakistan in the world event. But like I said, if it comes from the government, then the BCCI would be armed with that advice which they can take forward to the ICC.
Interesting, Rashesh. Hold on to that thought. I'm going to come back to you with what the BCCI and when it is that the BCCI would or would not issue a official statement in this regard or not. But we've got our other reporters patched with us as well. Manogya Loiwal is joining us from Kolkata. Manogya, I'm going to throw right across to you. What is the sentiment that is riding in Kolkata? Mixed reactions, of course, coming in there from the national capital.
Nothing different in Kolkata, but a lot to say. I have a few students with me who have a lot to say on what should be the next plan of action. Do you think that India and Pakistan should play cricket despite what has happened now?
Yeah, very much. I mean, it's just game, and I think there shouldn't be any differentiation just because of some, an attack or any other certain boundaries which we are seeing right now. I mean, yeah, they should be playing.
Do you agree with the same, or is it a difference of opinion? Because there are sentiments running very high for the loss of lives, and especially Jawans.
Yeah, but this is a completely different field. It's sports, and over here we are actually like for the sportsman spirit. Over there, you don't see that who is a terrorist and who is like who has been like. It's definitely very hurtful that people have died, but yeah, you should play out, and there is no reason for India to back out from a match. I mean, if you defeat them, yeah, very well. That's a very good answer, and India has the capability to win and defeat Pakistan.
Well, I think you agree with the kind of atmosphere, the kind of critical analysis that is already going on the ground, as well as the concern for what has happened.
I think in spite of everything, this is a match. Even if it's not a match, like why would India and Pakistan being two neighboring countries not play or do anything? It's a very serious issue. Yeah, terrorism has been one of the most important issues throughout the world, but I don't think that just because of a particular group of people committing some things, I don't think it's very like, I don't support this why people are hating Pakistan or they're accusing Pakistan.
You get the sense as far
there
as
have been evidences for India. They are going
Manavia.
in the international forums of claiming that there has been a lot of...
No, I agree. I definitely agree to the fact that, there needs to be some kind of resolution to this, and the Jawans, their life should not be lost in vain. But then, that does not mean that, the people who are playing the match, they are not the ones responsible for it. They haven't committed any crimes as such, right? And by backing out from a cricket match, how does that resolve any of the political, any of the current political issues that we are facing, right?
Well, a forward-looking experience from the students of Kolkata, and of course expressing the fact that there are, of course, ways to fight it out, and this could be one of them by defeating them on the 22-yard cricket field.
Oh, absolutely. We're getting those reactions coming in there from Kolkata. Mixed reactions from Delhi. Kolkata, of course, we heard the youth right there who want India and Pakistan to continue playing cricket with each other. Let's see what Chennai has in store with us. Shalini Lobo is joining us from Chennai as well. Shalini, also a very crucial point being that the current Prime Minister of Pakistan also happens to be a cricketer. What do the youth have to feel about that and the fact whether we should play with Pakistan or not?
Well, I'm going to put that question straight to our guest away, a group of youngsters. The current Prime Minister of Pakistan, Imran Khan, is a cricketer himself. When I did ask you, do you think India should play Pakistan? Your first reaction was no. So why is it that, there's this strong anger towards Pakistan?
But I never said no. I think sports shouldn't be mixed with something what a single person is doing to a country. I think India can take on Pakistan as it is sports. It should be played. It might be a bridge to something else also. So I think it's better to take Pakistan on.
So you think, keeping politics aside, go for it. The match is right now. It should happen and we should emerge victorious, of course.
Definitely, yes. Sports shouldn't be mixed with politics for sure.
And what about you? What are you of the belief of? Should India go play that match, or should we say we're not playing with you, sort terrorism first as an issue, and then we'll talk sports?
See, for me also, I believe it's the same, that, you keep sports aside and you keep politics aside. So, sports is something which is also encouraging a lot of people. If you bring sports in politics, then you're also discouraging a lot of people. It's also, a joy to see when two countries are coming together. So, you should take it in a positive way than in a negative way.
Well, you have the youth of Chennai, Chethi, all of them seeing this in a very positive light. Let's go in for that match. There's no need to hold a hatred right now. Take it in a positive light that, be it sport, be it art, be it films, everything brings us together as one. And probably we should look at this issue. Yes, there's a lot of anger against the terrorist attack, not denying that fact. But then again, sports should be looked apart. Everyone is a fan of cricket and they feel that politics
young India
should not be a part of the sport right now.
Shalini, from a very, very different prism, of course, from what the cricketers have in store, and we heard those veteran cricketers speak as well, who do not want to play a match with Pakistan, but the youth of the nation feels otherwise from the reactions we're getting. And of course, the national capital, we're getting mixed reactions coming in. Let's hear it from what's going on in Patna as well. Rohit, why don't you walk us through the sentiment that's riding high in Patna as far as this issue is concerned?
Well, absolutely. 40 bravehearts have been killed last week, and still should India engage with Pakistan as far as cricket is concerned. Let's get in a reaction from cricket enthusiasts here. आप बताइए, आपको क्या लगता है 40 जवान मारे गए हैं पुलवामा में, इसके बावजूद भी क्या क्रिकेटिंग टाइज चलते रहना चाहिए पाकिस्तान के साथ?
नहीं रोहित जी, बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए।
राष्ट्र सबसे ऊपर है, हम सब हिंदुस्तानी हैं। हमारे जवान जिस तरह से शहीद हुए हैं, मुझे बहुत पीड़ा है और इस मौके पर ऐसा कुछ भी होना हम सबको लगता है कि बहुत गलत होगा, इसलिए नो क्रिकेट।
वर्ल्ड कप में भी पाकिस्तान के साथ मैच हो सकता है, इसको लेकर भी क्या आपको लगता है ये मैच खेलना चाहिए इंडिया को वर्ल्ड कप में?
बिल्कुल नहीं, क्योंकि ऐसे माहौल में क्रिकेट या कोई भी गेम करने का मतलब है कि उसके साथ हम एक सोशल कल्चर डेवलप कर रहे हैं, रिलेशन डेवलप कर रहे हैं। और ऐसे कंट्री के साथ जो कि आतंकवाद का समर्थन करता हो, आतंकवाद को प्रोटेक्शन देता हो, उसके साथ किसी प्रकार का भी सोशल रिलेशन नहीं होना चाहिए। मेरा कहना है कि भविष्य में भी कभी भी इसके साथ क्रिकेट का जैसा कोई भी रिलेशन नहीं रखना है।
आपको क्या लगता है, क्रिकेट कम से कम खेलते रहना चाहिए, राजनीति अलग है, क्रिकेट अलग होना चाहिए?
नहीं, क्रिकेट अभी बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि ऐसा देखा जाए तो क्रिकेट एंटरटेनमेंट पर्पस से, सोशल कल्चर से काफ़ी जुड़ा हुआ है। और अगर अभी के समय में क्रिकेट होगा तो ये हमारे जवानों के खिलाफ बहुत गलत होगा, क्योंकि अभी सबका खून बहुत खौला हुआ है और पाकिस्तान जो है काफ़ी आतंकवाद बढ़ाया हुआ है और उसके साथ कोई भी रिलेशन रखना वो गलत है।
आपको क्या लगता है, क्रिकेट कम से कम होना चाहिए या फिर उसको भी रोक देना चाहिए इंडिया पाकिस्तान?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए। ये अविश्वसनीय घटना थी, ठीक है, और बहुत गलत है। इसलिए मेरे हिसाब से भी जिस तरीके से पाकिस्तान कर रहे हैं, ये हमारे 40 से भी ज़्यादा जवान शहीद हो गए हैं इसमें, तो मेरे हिसाब से नहीं होना चाहिए।
Well, so on the ground, people really of the view that 40 brave hearts have been killed. So how can you engage in any manner with a country who is responsible for these killings? The terrorists have been exported from there. So that is why people here, the cricket fans here, really of the view that no cricketing ties with Pakistan.
Oh, absolutely, Rohit. There's that unanimous opinion coming in there from Patna that India must boycott Pakistan as far as playing cricket with them is concerned. That is one city from where we're getting such a unanimous opinion coming in from ground. In fact, let's take a look at how Kanpur feels about this. Nilanshu Shukla is joining us from Kanpur. Nilanshu, what do the people of Kanpur really feel? You've got Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad, you've got Smriti Irani, you've got even the former Vice President of BCCI, Rajiv Shukla, which has backed the government on the move that one must not play cricket with Pakistan. What do the youth feel right there in Kanpur?
See, let me tell you that there is a nationwide outrage against Pakistan after the Pulwama attack. We have seen cricketers speaking that India should snap all the ties with Pakistan and the match should not happen in the World Cup. I am joined by some of the people here, including aspiring cricketers, to get their reaction from Green Park. आप बताइए कि भारत पाकिस्तान के बीच 16 जून को विश्व कप में क्रिकेट मैच खेला जाना है, क्या होना चाहिए मैच?
देखिए, खेल भावनाएं इसमें एक जुड़ी होती हैं, उसके अनुसार तो मैच होना चाहिए, लेकिन जो स्थिति पाकिस्तान की है, जो स्थिति इस समय मौजूदा हालात हैं देश में भारत और पाकिस्तान के बीच में, उस स्थिति में मेरे ख्याल से मैच से पहले हम लोगों को ये तय करना पड़ेगा कि पाकिस्तान के साथ कभी भी मैच खेलें। हम लोग ये नहीं चाहते हैं कि वो आतंकवाद फैलाता रहे और हम लोग क्रिकेट मैच खेलते रहे। तो उस लिहाज से मेरे व्यक्तिगत राय है कि भारत और पाकिस्तान का मैच नहीं होना चाहिए।
आप बताइए, आप यहाँ पे क्रिकेट सीखने आते हैं?
जी सर, हम यहाँ क्रिकेट सीखने आते हैं इसलिए क्योंकि हम क्रिकेट खेल के प्रति ज़्यादा जागरूक है। हमारे कहने का तात्पर्य है, जो ये अटैक हुआ है, जिस कारण हुआ है, उस कारण का पता लगाया जाए और सर उसके बारे में पूरी जानकारी हमारे खेल की भावना को सर न किया जाए, यही हमारा वो है सर।
आप बताइए बेटा, आप क्या चाहते हैं, मैच होना चाहिए?
ये चाहते हैं कि मैच तो होना नहीं चाहिए, और अगर एक मैच नहीं होता है तो पाकिस्तान को 2 साल पहले जितने सारे मैच खेले, उन जितना पैसा कमाया है उससे उनको बहुत बड़ा नुकसान होगा। इसीलिए अगर BCCI चाहे तो ये मैच ना करवाए तो उनको बहुत बड़ा नुकसान होगा।
आप बताइए।
सर, मैच तो होना चाहिए, लेकिन ये खेल भावना को ठेस पहुंचाना नहीं चाहिए। मैच हम लोग को जवाब देना तो हम लोग मैच के जरिए भी अपना जवाब दे सकते हैं, ये हमारी भावना की तरफ से है।
So you can see mixed reactions here. Some of the people are saying that India should snap cricketing ties with Pakistan, while one person has said that India should avenge the Pulwama attack by defeating Pakistan in the World Cup match.
Absolutely. So mixed reactions coming in there from most of the cities, and the reactions that we go on whether India should play the match with Pakistan or not. The official stand not yet out. We'll wait and watch to see what really transpires. I thank all our reporters from across the nation to join us, getting us those sentiments on ground. Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad has asserted that Pakistan cannot play play cricket with India while simultaneously bleeding the country. He's spoken exclusively to India today and said that banning cricket with Pakistan is absolutely justified after that brazen lack of action from Pakistan against terror. Even the former Vice President of BCCI, Rajiv Shukla, has backed that particular viewpoint. Modi Mantri Smriti Irani has also slammed Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan and has seconded the opinions of the BCCI Vice President and Ravi Shankar Prasad both.
I cannot make any comment except to say that those who are demanding it have some justification. You have seen many films, concerts have been cancelled, other things have there, because things are not normal. If things are not normal, the jhappiyan, pappiyan are issues which have always been there. Now, since it is an international sports, international tournament, I think the ICC and the India's cricket establishment will have to take a call in consultation with our security establishment. But I don't wish away their concern. It's time to say no. Because, you know what is very important in yesterday's comment of just a minute, Mr. Imran Khan had no word of condolence for those who were killed.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.